All right, hello everybody. I don't know who this reading is going to be for yet. I decided to let the cards just speak. And whatever sign comes out first, with the exception of Pisces, we will do that sign because I just did Pisces. So, guess what? I see Taurus. This is a Taurus reading. Okay. First, you're going to have some good luck coming in with your home life. You may be pregnant. This is a situation concerning your child and your children or your family. There's going to be some luck with that. With Jupiter here. Taurus, your birthday may be May 18th, April 26th, May 2nd. The truth is about to come to the light about a situation. Maybe specifically dealing with a Cancer. There's some deception going on. You may also be a Reiki healer. I hear moon magic. Working with the different phases of the moon. Your birthday may be on the 14th of May. All right, other signs we have involved in your storyline are Capricorn, Leo. I pull air, and behind air is Libra. It's a fire about to be started with really a lot of emotions involved in the situation. And did I not say Cancer? Cancer's coming out. Something's about to spread. You about to take off, take flight. You're ascending. Airbender. Storm. X-Men vibes I'm getting from you, Taurus. Your birthday may also be April 25th. We also got Sagittarius. Scorpio, and Pisces in your storyline. Okay. Put these to the side. There's some deception going on in your family life. And you're going to find out about it. You got some good news coming in pertaining to something material. I'm hearing a job, or if you're trying to open a business, starting a business, clothing, a shopping spree, most definitely, a date, a new relationship, and travel. So I'm gonna put these to the side. Let's see, Taurus, where are you located? Oh, Montana, Indiana, Oklahoma. And once again, this may be a news story as you seeing. If you don't live this way in that place, this could be where the other person is from, where the people are from that you're dealing with, you work with. Anything that has to do with these states. Minnesota. Colorado. New York. Kansas. California. Tell it. Ancestors, spirit guides, angels, God, the universe, tell it. Let it out. Arkansas. Right now, I'm drinking. I'm burning some dragon blood and frankincense incense. I love the smell of these two combined. I'm also burning some mystic oil wax cubes. And my white candle for clearing out energy. Michigan. Your ops from Michigan. Alabama. Utah. Mississippi. Oregon. Alaska. Washington. Pennsylvania. New Mexico. And I'm here in the pool 2 more. Georgia, and Hawaii. I know out here in DC. DC is in this Seattle, DC, Opelika. Scottsdale, and Oakland. All right. Let's see what professions are involved in this. What's y'all field of study? People y'all dealing with, people in your storyline, maybe a news report that you're watching, a movie, a song, something. I'm getting all kind of serial killer vibes. Oh, God. Serial killer out here watching people. You may drive a red car. Lives in the woods. Or you live in the woods and drive a red car. Take it as a residence. Be careful. Keep your phone charged. And weapons in your house. Alright, let's see. Ooh, that just popped out. There's too many, but we're going to take a couple. We have a nurse involved. A chef. A CNA. Personal assistant. Astronomer. Look, and the informant trying to hide somebody snitching. And they ain't want to be known because they hide behind the astronomer. We have a florist. An army member male. An herbalist. Detective. Undercover cop. Oh, shit. No. Somebody trying to start a fire, starting some shit. It's a house fire. Be careful with your appliances. Cell phone. Your cell phone. Maybe a fire with your cord or your wire. Cell phone. Okay. Pro wrestler female. A music producer. A musician. NBA All-Star. A tennis player male. A tarot reader. That would be me. I'm a Taurus. Cashier. Hairstylist. A Reiki practitioner. A realtor. A barber. A couples counselor. Judge. A stock clerk. A delivery driver. A stripper. Celebrity ghostwriter female. Pull out a few more. This juicing. An WNBA player. Somebody play basketball. A donut shop. Cops going to eat at the donut shop in the morning before they do stakeout. I ain't mad at them. Somebody's an alcoholic. Oh, Lord. Porn star. The life coach. Biologist. And a pro wrestler male. I don't know. Got a hostess. Somebody's unemployed. We have a celebrity rapper. There go the serial killer and popped out. GM, teacher, a valet, and a movie director. This could be a movie, like I said, something you just watch. And normally after I do these damn reads, I would see a movie pertaining to everything I just talked about. But I also see news articles and other titles from other readers about the same shit. So collectively, we got the same weird-ass energy floating around. Leave the storyline to the side. All right, let's get to the tea. Pull a few romance. See what your love life looking like. Ooh, that's too many cards, Taurus. Oh, that won't pop out. What is this? Deception. Somebody wearing a mask. Wizards. Someone is wearing a false mask in this relationship. Retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. You need a break. I said some communication issues coming on with that earth. With the earth that came out. Family drama. Baby mama, baby daddy drama. Somebody hiding something. Maybe hiding a baby. Outside child. They're going on retreats. Side person. Another female ticket that's resonates. Ooh. Finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. This isn't for everybody. This is somebody specifically that has just gone through a breakup. It's time for you to start dating again. Alright, I just wanted to pull those out because this ain't what it's supposed to be about. It's going to be notes for, let's say. But, let's get to it real quick. See what's going on with your hair. Ooh. Your mom is an angel, Taurus. Someone filed an unemployment claim using your social security number. What the fuck? That happened to me too. Your mom is terminally ill. Maybe mentally ill, some of y'all. No judgment. I have a mentally ill parent, but it ain't my mama. Oh. Alright, that just flew out. Let me see what comes out. Put this to the side. Just let them come out. And pull some, let some fly. Because some of that shit you won't hide. Okay. She is lying about her pregnancy. Who is the hell is that? Ooh. This is juicy. Told you these cards flying all over the place. That's too many, but we're going to take them. We need the nap. See where I'm at on time. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. I know it. I know it. It's a creep. It's a serial killer. Y'all gonna see. Somebody do this for a living. And they're watching you heavily. Tapping your phone, your computer. Stalking you on your way to work. Coming from work. They're watching your house. Probably on the rooftop of another house. Or apartment complex right across from you. Pay attention. So you might have a bird's eye view on you from a building next to you. They're watching you through a telescope. Be careful. Alright, so far. Let's see what we got. That's a lot of cards. But we got all day. Yeah. So I'm going to go through these quickly. Alright, so you talk too damn loud. Tone it down. You talk too loud. Everybody does not need to hear your conversation. Cross watch, this applies to you as well. Taurus, you may be in your room or somewhere now and someone is talking too loud. You may be thinking this in your head. You were molested by your brother. Sorry to hear that. Your aunt is a perv. Move in silence, most definitely. You are very rich, maybe financially, maybe spiritually. Write a book about it. You need to write a book about your experience. Your sister is doing spell work to slow your money down. Your cousin is scoring his best friend, male. Cousin, you like booty, cousin? Your teenager has a baby on the way. Hope not one of mine, Lord Jesus. 1, 2, 3, 4, plan it out. You need to make the steps you need to in order to accomplish your goals. So start setting your goals for next year now. You are protected. Stop telling your business. Yes, because people just want to talk about you and gossip. Slow down. You're driving too fast. I'm hearing a crash. Wear the black wig with the bang. It's my favorite too. Stop letting people use you. Your mate is on drugs. Your best friend gossips about you with your enemies. Choose a new babysitter. Telekinesis is your superpower. They all try to compete with you. Your dad is closet gay. Design something for children. Your hard work is paying off. I'm sure it is. Your mate is a serial cheater. You are the most successful in your family. All your friends are jealous of you. Your nephew is on drugs. Change those bald tires. You have on a yellow dress and red lipstick. I said this, somebody, might be a Pisces reader, or whoever. Anyway, you need to clear out your solar plexus chakra and also your root chakra. Somebody's doing work on you, trying to affect your confidence. Maybe having issues going on in your little anal region as well. Your best friend is an attention whore. Indeed. Time to start dating again. Another indeed. He or she is planning to attack you. You are protected. Let's see if it's this X. If this X pop up. Let's see. What I say? And I shuffled this. Your ex. Your ex is watching you. She wants to attack you. But you're protected. Look at this. She is planning to attack you. You are protected. I know it. So if this shit pop out. Yep. It's a one night stand involved in a situation. They want to make up with you, but you don't want to make up with them because you found out that they cheated. And probably y'all lost your relationship or he or she lost you due to them wanting to fuck around. Too late. Somebody want to propose soon. You are so beautiful inside and out. They want you for your finances, so maybe you were in a relationship with this ex and you cut the money off. They ain't getting as much money as they was when y'all was together. They smile at you and watch you while you were sleeping. Let me take a couple more. You are pregnant for someone other than your mate, or your person got somebody else pregnant. Did I not say that? It's a secret baby floating around. Some of you, your mate is in love with you. It's two different storylines going on. Take it as it resonates. Because if a motherfucker in love, they ain't out here cheating, making babies. Your best friend is jealous. Alright, I just had to get that out there because I felt like it. One of you, your ex probably is the damn serial killer. Yellow is your color. Yep, once again, you need to do some solar plexus chakra cleansing meditations. Stop squeezing your feet in those shoes. Your brother is jealous of you. Smile more. They keep calling to borrow money. Don't answer. Planning a funeral for your dad. So it could be you have a parent that's sick, or it could also be somebody's doing death spells or death rituals of poisoning your father. Cover that muffin top. Your aunt is a nutcase. Stop leaving your child or children with those weirdos. Alright. So the other day I did a reading. And I channeled something. It's a mother and a daughter that's probably babysitting your kids. Could be a sister and your niece. Your niece and your cousin. Two cousins. But specifically, they're giving these kids drugs and alcohol. I'm also hearing sex tapes. Somebody's also doing child pornography with your children. Uncle. Debbie. Let's see who their relationship is. So I got these out. What's the relationship? Who's fucking with these kids? Ooh, your best friend. It's a manager. Somebody that works as a manager. A female neighbor. Some of you is your mother. Some of you is a grandma. It's a teacher. Your sister. Friends. Could be doing activities with older friends. Or could be your friends. Stop leaving your kids with them weirdos. Baby daddy. Cousin. I don't know. It's a possibility. You know your story better than me. But I would look into it and I would ask my children questions about what's going on. Ask questions. Even pop up over there. Be late to work. Drop them off. Wait 20, 30 minutes. An hour. Go back over there. Pop your ass up over there because you need to. Red is your favorite color. Which tells me it's a little boy in particular. Somebody's touching on this child's butt. Your stepmom is wicked. She is lying about her pregnancy. Road trip to Texas. The voices in your head are your ancestors. Listen. Stay focused. They want to keep you in a situationship. Telepathy is your superpower. Trouble is headed your way. Yeah, because once you find out who the fuck it is fucking with your children, I'm sure you about to cut up. Your baby daddy is giving your sister money behind your back. They are effing. Your landlord has a crush on you. Taurus, stop doing black magic, or it could be cross-watcher. Stop doing black magic on Taurus. And Taurus, some of y'all probably is doing black magic. Stop. Stop burning them shut up bitch candles. Wear the white dress. You're going on a date, interview. You know what it is. You need to wear the white dress. Probably looks better on you. But it just, Labor Day just passed, and the fashion rule is not to wear white after Labor Day. But what would you want to wear? Don't worry about no damn Labor Day rule. Alright, let's see. So somebody's doing a movie. You're about to watch a movie about a serial killer. It's a celebrity rappers in this movie. Could be a serial killer that's killing porn stars and strippers. And a movie that involves a tarot reader. What movie was that when Bokeem was going to see the tarot reader? I'm gonna look that up and watch that, because that's what just flashed in my head. Let's see. See what the tarot have to say. Let's see where I'm at on time. Okay. Hungry. I know that was random. One of y'all might be hungry too, but I'm hungry. I want some lemon pepper wings with some blue cheese, maybe ranch, and I want some hot wings, and I want some macaroni and some mashed potatoes, some fried shrimp and oysters. No, I ain't pregnant, but that just sounds good. And I want steak. I want some pasta. I want to go to all you can eat so I can sample a little bit of everything. That's what I need. And some Chinese. I want some shrimp and rice. You like? Alright. See what's going on. Ooh. Whew. Okay, Taurus. Looks as though in the past I have the Five of Cups, the Queen of Cups, and the Emperor. You may be dealing with an Aries, So this is a man that's a bossy, or we have this prominent man. Could be this detective or undercover cop, whoever he is. He's well dressed. He knows how to play chess and not motherfucking checkers. This man is very sexual, very passionate. I'm hearing a breakup in your past. 5 of Cups, sorrow. And my lighting is not good. I'll be making so many changes. I gotta get a lamp, y'all. Make this lighting a little bit better for y'all. But you can see the 5 of Cups. Okay, a death of a loved one. This could be your dad. You saw it coming, and it's something that's still on your mind. That's one scenario. Another scenario is you've gone through a breakup, and it was such a traumatic experience. It tapped you into your intuitive gifts. Queen of Cups, that's tarot reading, Reiki healing, psychic mediumship, all your spiritual gifts. You got a renewal. She's in water. It's like a baptism. You were refreshed and renewed, sort of like a rebirth. But like I said, a baptism after you went through this sorrow. But you're in the process of meeting the Emperor too. Another scenario. This is a man that's well dressed, or wants to be. And he's intrigued by you. I say give it a chance. Oh, he's got the Tower. See what else coming out. Somebody died during a storm. Probably most recently during this hurricane or earthquake. Whoa, baby. It's a Tower. There was an explosion, a breakup. And now you're blocking out everything that's coming your way. You also need to do some cleansing. You need a full 7 of Wands. A full chakra meditation. Every color. There's 7 of the chakras lined up. You need to do a chakra. They're blocked. See, she's blocking something. There's a bubble around her. Oh, excuse me. One of you also may have a crystal ball. You really into mediumship and and your psychic gifts. And you see what's coming. You're able to see the bullshit from a mile away. You're able to block that out. Some of you need to do yoga and work on cleansing the solar plexus chakra. Your chakras are blocked. Oh. This just popped out. Okay. Now, this was on top, but this was underneath. But I could do it like this. It looks as though your soulmate is coming in. Or some memories from your past are coming in that you're trying to block out. It was something detrimental that happened during your childhood, and you really are trying to block out those feelings. You need healing. Those feelings are coming back in. And like I said, also for somebody in specific, your soulmate is coming into you, traveling back to you, and they're trying to get to your ass in a hurry. The storm might have separated y'all. They may be away on business, and you're waiting for them. They went overseas to travel for business purposes, and you're waiting. I hope one of you don't have somebody stuck in Afghanistan. This gives me everything of war vibes for some reason. Shit. September 11th coming up too. I just feel like they're planning on doing something. This is a tower. You know, the twin towers. Everything failed. Something from the past repeating itself. We already have people in place over here, and we're trying to block it out, but the president, this is the president, the emperor. The president is looking, he's worried, he's concerned. Oh, shit. Ugh. Okay, let me wrap it up. But overall, you need to stop fighting your feelings for you that's got this love situation going on. Stop fighting your feelings. Let that man in. This is your wish fulfillment. This is what you've been wanting. Your soulmate is coming in. But you trying to block the shit. Because you've been hurt in the past. You're heartbroken. You're tired of fighting. You're a strong woman. Maybe man if this is vice versa. But let that person in. This person is coming towards you with deep emotions for you. This person has deep feelings. Maybe a fucking water sign. Could be a water air sign. Could be a Libra Scorpio mix. What else is water and air? Gemini Cancer. Pisces Aquarius. Somebody's on the cusp that's coming to you, and you're blocking this person out because you're afraid of being hurt. But let that person in. That's what I'm hearing. And in terms of you, you need to pop up. This is the child molestation card. 6 of Cups, any of the sixes for past. This could be somebody trying to gain somebody's trust, but you also have childhood trauma that you've gone through, and it's affecting your relationship. You need to do the healing work you need, because somebody's trying to come into your life. Also, your children, protect your children. You see this at the bottom of the deck. Yes, justice will be served. This is a Libra. It's giving me everything a Libra vibes, and Libra did pop out. Maybe a Libra that's a Pisces or some fucking body that's on the cusp of water and air that's harming your children. Be careful. All right, Taurus, this is all I have. Till next time, thank you for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you for returning. If you're new, thank you, thank you, thank you.